From the upper deck, I can see the entire stage, side to side, front to back. The performance on stage is captivating, with all the lights, energetic performers, and immense sound. I feel every strum of the guitar, screaming vocals, and deep bass all throughout my body. When As I Lay Dying takes the stage, I get goosebumps. The same goosebumps that I get from the major social justice movements and events. Metalcore is part of my personal identity as a Japanese American, Asian American, and person of color because of who came before me. My experience as a Yonsei Japanese American is reflected through the sound of metalcore. Even though many of the significant historical social justice movements are in the past, there are many critical issues that are currently plaguing our communities. The fight for social justice is not in the past by any means. Metalcore and I are congruent because of the understanding of oppression and privilege. Metalcore serves me as empowerment to continue community organizing. Listening to the music of As I Lay Dying and August Burns Red on a stereo does not compare to experiencing their live performances. I know the bands perform from their heart by seeing them live. I feed off this intense energy that the music exudes. Although contemporary metal has not been composed with the intent to reflect the social justice struggles and movements, I feel that it does. Fans and non-fans alike will say that metalcore exemplifies anger, hardships, and even death. Almost no one initially visualizes social justice reflected in this type of genre, though. When I learned about the civil rights movement, farm workers' labor movement, Asian American movement, American Indian movement, and the ethnic studies movement, I was able to see the severe oppression, anger, suffering, effects of colonization, and even genocide that people of color have endured on United States soil. I think the atmosphere of those chaotic eras is embodied in the sound of the metalcore genre. It is not easy to always understand the lyrics. To me, the message in the music is not solely in the lyrics, but in the overall ambience of the music. I cannot help but get goosebumps as I am almost electrified with the music. I get the same goosebumps from the social justice movements that continue today.